Hi there, you can now set custom quantities to create incentives to buy more products, as you can see in this example. So let me show you how you can set this up. Right here, I want to incentivize customers to buy more products by offering a discount. And it's key that when this product option is selected, the 2 cases or 4 cases, that it also adds the same amount of products to the cart and applies the discount. So the first option right here is selected, the 1 case product option. Now let's head over to interactions, and under action we can find the new set quantity function. So let's click on it, and the quantity is set to 1, which is correct. Now let's focus on the next product option, which is 2 cases. Again, let's add an action, set quantity, and set this to 2. And for this option, there's also a discount. In this case, a 10% discount. So we need to make sure that this is also applied to the cart, and we can easily set this up within Shopify. So right here within my Shopify environment, I have 2 different automatic discounts. One is for 2 cases and the other one is for 4 cases. So let's click on it to get a more detailed view. And as you can see right here, with 2 cases of this specific product, there is a 10% discount. And what you need to do is add 2 products to the cart, which is set up in Instant. So back in Instant, we can be sure that the discount will be applied when this product option is added to the cart. Now let's focus on the last one, 4 cases, add the set quantity, and then set the quantity to 4. And that's already it. So you can now create custom quantity breaks for your products. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more product updates.